Hey travelers, welcome back to another video. Today we are at Interstate State Park on the Wisconsin side to explore a waterfall and some ruins.
In which the bugs are attacking Liz.
Yes.
But not Kaylee and I.
We're on the Silverbrook Trail, so you guys know what trail to go on to. We found a way to get down to the falls, or I'll see you guys when we get down there. We made it down the falls, safe and sound. Mom's going to hang out on the top, and so Kaylee and I are just going to hang out down here and take some pictures. This is why I'm so glad I have a Veritone ND filter, because I was using my ND 1000 filter and it was way too dark down here. So I changed it to my ND 2 to 400 filter. Like, okay, good. I was so worried that I wasn't able to get my pictures, but now they are turning out amazing. So yay me. Heading back up. Pre-falls. Hopefully we'll be able to come back here at a time where it's more of a flow, but I'll see you guys back when I'm up there. Oh, alright, well, Mom is back at the start of the trail. Kaylee and I are heading back there now. So that is the falls. I hope you guys enjoyed the falls part, but now we are going to go check out the ruins. We are now coming up to the entrance of the ruins. So when I was looking this place up, it said that, I don't know if it was one ruins or two ruins, but it's part to sound like it was one ruins. There's just a mansion. Another part made it sound like there's middle ruins and a mansion. So I'm not 100% sure, but I guess we'll find that out when we get to the ruins. If you guys are interested in seeing Kaylee's point of view from this location and her pictures, make sure you check out her video from today. Her video will be linked down in the description.
Go watch my video.
But yeah, here's the ruins. Not that far from the waterfall. Let's see what's over here first. Well, that's kind of creepy. Okay. That goes down. I don't know how long that log is, but sure goes down a bit. I can't see the bottom from here. history of this location. I'm not sure if it's the most accurate article for the ruins, but I'll tell you guys it anyways. It did not say a year or a date. So the ruins is a mansion, or what's left of the mansion, where a brothel and gambling used to take place when the gangs and gangsters were in the prime. But yeah, so that is a little bit of the history that I found out of this location.
Hey guys, it's Liz. Welcome back to the video. If you don't put this in, I'll be mad. And I'll put your video in the description. Liz is trying to get pictures of the ruins even though it's blocked off. Real photographers can go through fences.
There are two different paths you can take to get to the ruins and the waterfall. One of the paths is if I remember correctly, like a 1.4 mile hike from the state park. Otherwise, if you take County Road S and drive all the way down that to the 13th Street, there is
Vlogging a vlog.
There is another parking spot there. That's where we parked, and it's a really short hike to both of the waterfall and the ruins from there. There's enough parking for like 3 cars.
Yeah, but it's not a busy park.
At least this part. We've only ran into like 3 groups, I think, here, and it was all at the waterfall. The busiest part was the waterfall. There are a lot more paths to explore at Interstate State Park on the Wisconsin and Minnesota side. If you guys want to see more of this state park, please let me know down in the comments. And if you guys know a specific trail that we should go on, let me know about that too. It'll be a lot of fun exploring more of these 2 state parks on both sides of the St. Croix River. But with that being said, thanks so much guys for watching, and we will see you in the next one. Bye!